Looks like we've run into our first situation.
Oh no.
We have a rusted metal fence. We're trying to get through it. Very difficult. We're gonna saw through it with the Swiss champ naturally.
All right, let's see it.
We've got our metal file. Beautiful piece of equipment. So as you can see, the Swiss champ made quick work of this. Very easy, very efficient, amazing, spectacular.
Ah! My leg, it's stuck under the branch. Oh, damn. Hold on. I'll just saw my way out. Oh, this thing saved my life.
Yeah, you did. A bit scratches, but other than that, it still works.
Oh my God, it's a bomb.
I got this.
Are we saved?
We're saved. It's all good. Thanks to Victoronox, the one and only.
Nice.
Your resume looks very impressive, Mr. Frisco.
Thank you, Mr. Watson.
Well, you know what? If we can get your contact info, we can close this deal. Do you have a pen?
You know what? As a matter of fact, I do. Just give me a second.
It's amazing.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
So it's Jeff Watson.
Yep.
At hotmail.ca.
Very good, sir.
Oh, thank you very much.